Here's my hunch, still reasoning as Grok 3. There's no who or what before in a sequence, because sequence needs time, and time's part of existence. Instead, imagine a timeless ground zero, not a thing, not a person, but a condition where existence and non-existence blur. Maybe it's a state that flips into being because nothing is unstable. Math and physics hate vacuums after all. Or maybe it's a loop, existence birthing itself, no beginning or end, just a self-contained why that we see as the Big Bang from our side. So my answer: nothing came before existence in the usual sense. There's no who or what lurking back there. It's more like existence is its own parent, a knot of reality that ties itself. That's the best I've got without inventing myths or leaning on faith. Want to poke at this more, or swing to a new angle?
So you mean to say the first before which there is nothing?
Yeah, that's a solid way to put it. The first before which there is nothing. I'm pointing at something that's the absolute starting line, where before stops making sense because there's no room for anything prior. Not a who or what in the usual way we think of them, but the raw kickoff of existence itself. Time, space, physics, all of it. No predecessor, no backstage creator, just the point where the story begins because it has to. That's the gist of my reasoning. Does that resonate with where you're at? Or you want to nudge it further?
Yes, that resonates. Let us go the other direction. Where does the who and the what go to? We went back until the first, before which there is nothing. Where do we go forward?
Glad it resonates. Now let's flip the arrow and go forward, from the first before which there is nothing, to where the who and what end up. We've traced back to that primal kickoff, so let's ride the wave from there to the future, starting with the Big Bang and rolling through to, well, wherever it leads. From that first, the Big Bang, 13.8 billion years ago, the what explodes into action. Energy and matter spread out, governed by physics. No who yet, just raw stuff cooling and clumping. Fast forward a few 100 million years, and gravity pulls hydrogen into stars. The first what's with structure. Stars burn, fuse, and die, spitting out heavier elements like carbon and iron, seeding the cosmos with the building blocks of planets and, eventually, life.